welcome to Math Tuto Channel! So for today's video tutorial, atong paghahisgutan pa unsa mag-multiply og mag-divide og integers. Yes, no? So kung purely numbers lang atong i-multiply og atong divide, medyo carry ra sa atong mga estudyante, no? But the struggle is real sa atong mga grade 6 o grade 7 nga mga estudyante kung ang numero na gani mo kuyog nga negative sign. So I hope that this video tutorial will help you understand og sa katong mga estudyante pud nato, no, nga mga college students na or bisan pa sa katong mga mutekay o civil service exam. I hope that this video tutorial will help you review sa concept sa integers. So, in multiplying and dividing integers, na atay rules nga gina-follow. So, dili na kinahanglan nga ato siyang i-memorize, no? So, all you have to do is familiarize and then i-involve na to ang atong kaugalingon sa buot pasabot nga kinahanglan ta magsulat, no, mag-practice para eventually, no, ang concept masulod na diri sa atong utok hinay-hinay. Okay, so let's have first multiplication of integers. So we have rule number 1. The product of a positive and a negative integer is negative. So, unsa may bot pasabot ana. So, kung naako na kay duha ka numero, o niya ang isa negative, so kung imo na siyang i-multiply, ang product is always negative. So, in any order, maguna ba ka si positive, multiply ni negative, or sa negative ba ka maguna, multiply to a positive integer, the product is always negative integer. So, let us have this example. We have negative 6 times 4. So, we have, since negative and positive, so the product is always negative. So we have negative 24. Okay. So another one. We have 5 times negative 3. So positive and negative. So expected that the product is negative. So that is negative 15. Okay. Very good. Now let's have second rule. The product of two positive integers and two negative integers is positive, no? So, kung naako no kay duha ka integers nga puro positive, kung imo na siyang i-multiply, ang product is always positive. Or, if ang duha ka integers puros negative, ang product is always positive, no? So, ato na siyang hinumduman. Actually, ang rules ni multiplication o ni division, pareho raman ang concept, no? Magmatay lang ka dito sa answer, no? Product ang multiplication, quotient ang sa division. Okay, so let's have an example for this rule. Negative 4 times negative 3. So, pareho nga negative. So, the product is positive. So, the product is positive. So, we have positive 12. Yes. Another one. Okay, we have 2 times 11. So, pareho nga positive integer. So, therefore, the product is also positive. So, we have positive 22. Okay, very good. Now, ang pangutana, what if nga ang ato ang mga numbers nga i-multiply are more than 2. So, daba kay tulo or upat ka numbers and lahi-lahi og sign ay positive na ay negative. So, para dili ta maglibog, no? Ato lang siyang ganiron pag multiply para dili ta maglibog. Okay? So, example, ingan ani ha. What if you have negative 3 times 3 times negative 2. So, what is the answer? Now, makita nato nga naatay duha ka negative integers o natay isa ka positive integer. So, mag-multiply ta gikan sa wala padulong sa tuo atong ganiron para dili ta maglibog. So, unsa may mahitabo? So, we'll start with negative 3 and positive 3. So, negative 3 times positive 3, that is equal to, okay, rule number 1, negative 9. Yes, the rule number 1, negative 9. And then, since na natin product, there is a 3, negative 3 and 3, i-multiply na natin na diretso dito ni negative 2. Negative 9 times negative 2, so that is rule number 2, negative puro, the product is always positive, so we have 18. So therefore, the product is 18. So you have negative 3 times negative 2 is equal to 18. Positive 18 na siya karon. Okay. So, let's have division of integers. Okay. Rule number 1. So, the quotient of a positive and a negative integer is negative. So, kung naapo kay opposite signs, imo ko na nang i-divide, si positive divided by negative, the quotient is always negative. Or si negative divided by positive, ang quotient niya kanunay nga negatives. Okay, so let's have this example. Negative 8 divided by 4. Negative divided by positive. So, expected nga negative ang atong quotient. So, that is equal to negative 2. Negative 2. Okay. Next, 36. Positive, no? Divided by negative 3. Oh, that's negative. That is equal to negative 12. Very good. That's correct. Now, so, usahay, ang quotient, isulat siya nga ang iyahang dagway pareho sa katong fraction, no? Okay, so let's have example. Na numerator or na denominator, we have negative 9 divided by 3. Okay, positive 3. So what is now the quotient? Okay, that is equal to negative 3. Okay, no, kay opposite man ang yahang signs. So let us have rule number 2. Rule number 2. Okay, so the quotient of two positive integers and two negative integers is positive. So the same, sa ako nag-ingon ganina, pareho ra siya og rule ni multiplication, no? Ang kalainan lang is iyang answer. So, ang multiplication product man to, kani, quotient lang. So, kung pareho ang sign nga imong i-divide, the quotient is always positive. No? Kung positive divided by positive, the quotient is positive. Kung negative divided by negative, ang quotient is always positive. Okay. Example. Negative 20 divided by negative 5. Parehong negative. That is positive 4. Very good. 4. Next. 18 divided by 6. So, parehong positive integer. So, that is equal to positive 3. Very good. Okay. So, I hope that you learned something. So, let's practice. So, please comment your answers below. Kaya mo nang reviewon later on. And salamat kayo sa mga nag-participate, no? And I hope dili mo mapulaan og share sa ato ang mga video. So, hit like and react, no, sa atong mga videos na gi-post dere sa page. Okay? So, for our practice, so, I will be giving you 3 exercises and then you comment your answer diri sa comment section. Okay? First, we have negative 5 times 9. Yes, what is the product? Second, negative 28 divided by negative 7. Oh. Okay, last one. 6 divided by negative 3 times positive 4. So there you got it, mga katuto. So I hope that you learned something today. So again, do not forget to share this video and our other video tutorials sa tanang mga estudyante nga Bisaya sa Buanga Peninsula. Yes, that is our target and I hope nga mas maabot pa nato ang uban ng mga Bisaya nga mga estudyante no ug ato sila ang matabangan. Okay? So happy learning. God bless and keep safe. I'll see you on our next video tutorial. Bye.